And welcome to Central Valley Today. I'm Emily Irwin. Thanks for joining us again. It's Tuesday, December 1st, 2020, and it's also Giving Tuesday. It's always the first Tuesday after Thanksgiving. It's meant to inspire national giving, but it's also touted as a global generosity movement. And here at Central Valley Today, we want to make sure you know all about the local charities and organizations that need your help. So today, we're bringing you a new partnership between the Fresno Mission and Sante Health Systems and their foundation, and they're looking for everyday items people might take for granted. It's a simple item, one a lot of people might take for granted, but at the Fresno Mission, socks can be the starting point of a new future.
So one of the things I try and get people to imagine, which is really difficult to do, is that if you're coming to our front door, if you're calling on us for help, that means that you had nobody else in the world that you could call. And so for us, a pair of socks is an entry point because nobody ever refuses socks.
Matt Dildine is the CEO for the Fresno Mission, and he says this year they've also been hit hard by the 2020 pandemic. They're running low on donations of all kinds.
Normally, we kind of collect these things throughout the year, but we oftentimes get them from schools and businesses and churches. But for the last 7 months, those same businesses, schools, and churches have been closed down, so we haven't been able to have the drives that we've had in years past.
Their donations are down, and now so are the temperatures. But that's where Sante Health Systems comes in.
We know that when people are warm, they tend to stay healthy.
Sante Health Systems is a giant in the healthcare industry with more than 1,200 physicians and nurse practitioners. The Sante Health Foundation has partnered with the Fresno Mission to help keep the Central Valley warm this winter with a coat, sock, and blanket drive, because they believe health begins before the doctor's office.
We are blessed to have many amazing doctors that are part of our foundation, and the blessing is that we can give back together.
Sante Health and the Fresno Mission are accepting donations of gently used or new blankets, coats, and socks starting today through December 14th at the Sante Palm location and the East Shaw location.
So we're hoping for as many as we possibly can get, and enough that the mission has a plethora that they can hold on to for those who come in January.
We're so grateful for Sante and their partner organizations that are walking alongside this time with us.
Because that simple item can make a huge difference.
Let's do this, Fresno!
And It is starting to get really cold out there, so these coats and these socks and blankets, all these donations are crucial as we head into winter. And joining me now to talk more about Sante Health Systems and their foundation is Director of Marketing, Kelly Lillis. For people who don't know, who is Sante Health Systems, and tell me a little bit about the organization.
So Sante is a big gorilla with many arms, and who is putting on the coat and blanket drive is Sante Health Foundation. And that's one of the many arms of Sante Health System. And so Sante Health Foundation is a nonprofit organization that is a network of Sante affiliated physicians dedicated to providing exceptional service to healthcare to our communities for Fresno, Madera, and Kings counties. Our leadership is local, along with our doctors and their patients.
And we talked a little bit about this during the piece. So Sante Health is more about what just happens in the doctor's office. You guys really try to promote an overall healthy lifestyle. So, and that's why you're getting involved with the Fresno Mission. So talk to me a little bit about that.
So because of us wanting to promote healthy lifestyles, this just seemed like a perfect fit for this time of year especially. And you know, when you think about health and healthcare, if people are cold, they get sick, they end up in hospitals. Well, we have a lot of people in hospitals right now dealing with other things. You know, they're getting overcrowded. And our doctor's offices, we really want to keep people away from the doctor's offices if need be. So that the people that are sick can go in, and those that can have these blankets and coats to keep them warm. That's the hope, is that they can remain healthy. And you know, it goes beyond just Christmas and the holidays, the winter season. They'll be cold for the next 4 months, and that may be the only coat, blanket, or pair of socks that they have over the next 3 to 4 months. So it was a vision of our CEO, and spoke to some of the doctors about this, and they all said yes. It's so important to make sure that these people are warm. It's a gift that we can do this, and a wonderful partnership that we can do this with the community's assistance. We could not do this without our community. So we really appreciate Fresno, Madera Kings County helping us out, and hopefully we can bring in lots of items for the people that need it most this winter.
So what are the details? When can people drop off, their gently used coats and blankets, and where can they do this?
So we are beginning this December 1st through the 14th. It's going to be from Monday through Friday, the office hours from 8 to 5 at both of our locations, the Sante corporate offices. One is located at 7370 North Palm Avenue, Suite 101, and the bin will be in front of our door. And then the other location is our Shaw Avenue office, which is 1180 East Shaw. And that will also be at the main entrance. You will see a bin out front. And like I said, people are at home. This is a time, and unfortunately because of COVID, that they're at home and they may have a little bit more time to clean out their closets, thinking about, who can I give this to? Well, we're going to make that really easy for you. So if you can come to one of our locations during that time frame, you'll be giving back. And it just always feels so good to give back. And we appreciate any support that people can bring in.
All right. Well, I know that this is probably one of many events you have coming. Kelly, thank you so much for joining us today. Remember, their coat, sock, and blanket drive will benefit the Fresno mission, and it's going on December 1st through December 14th. Kelly, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, guys. We love KC24, and we appreciate you so much.